What's up, y'all? Pretty good day today. So, thank the Lord. Things are getting better. We are having chicken bowls in an actual bowl. So, be right back. The great news is I was able to reach the dentist's office today. So we can get the 88-year-old in there and get the last of that work done before she gets her new teeth. So because of that, I used up these little popcorn chicken balls I had in the freezer. Hers is ground up. So we start off with the rice. This is just regular rice that I added sesame to, and it turned it orange. So the rice is in there. Some refried beans. Yeah. Remember you said you wanted the refried instead of the whole pinto bean. There we go. Got it refried in there. Pop over. This is corn I cut off the cob to prove it. Here's the rest of it. Made it the other day and it's delicious. Nice and fresh. Trying to remember the order Chipotle does it in. Is rice, beans, then the meat. So here's her chicken. Again, it's ground up so I can get it to the dentist. Yeah, I gotta put it back in the refrigerator. I just wanted to prove that I cut it off the cob. And I find it best when you cut corn off the cob. The corn should be cold. That's why she just said this is cold. So I'm putting it back in the refrigerator. All right, so let's go on with the corn. Here's the corn. There's some cheese happening. How did I wrap it? Oh no, actually they put the salsa on first. Okay, added some salsa. Grate some cheese. And of course we like raw onion. So this was a big Spanish onion. Hola. ¿Cómo está? See, I ate a piece and started speaking Spanish. Some cheese. Ain't no sour cream, so you know me, when in doubt, ranch it out. All right, I wanted y'all to hear her live reaction. I had to get her something to drink, so here you go, Mom. Give it a taste. Let the people know if it's good or not. I'm getting ready to build mine. I'm just going to use the rest of this little lettuce I had. Is it good? Say it. She said it's good. Be right back. I'm going to build mine off camera. Okay, here's mine. I made it off camera. The difference is I added a little bit of lettuce to mine, and I'm very hungry. I had some stuff I needed to take before the Lord today, so I've been fasting all day. So I'm good and hungry. So I'm going to crush this, and I'll talk to y'all later.